Modern work is scattered across too many tools. Messages in one place, tasks in another, documents somewhere else, and updates everywhere. Swatle brings all of it together into one intelligent workspace. Swatle is an all-in-one workOS built for modern teams. It combines project management, collaboration, AI, support, knowledge, and data collection into a single connected platform, so your team can move faster with clarity. At the heart of Swatle is project management built for both planning and execution. You can start with high-level project planning, mapping out goals, timelines, and milestones, and then break them down into actionable work. For day-to-day delivery, teams can use Kanban to keep work flowing smoothly from start to finish. For agile teams, Scrum-based sprints help manage backlogs, set sprint goals, and track progress in focused cycles. Everything stays connected, from big-picture plans to daily tasks, so teams always know what they're building and why. Each task in Swatle is a complete work unit. It includes ownership, deadlines, priorities, files, and conversations, so nothing lives in scattered tools or lost messages. Your team collaborates right where the work happens. Chat, share files, and mention teammates, all while keeping every conversation connected to real tasks and projects. And with conversational ticketing, you can turn any message into a task with one click, so important work never gets lost in chat. Your company's knowledge lives in one searchable hub. From onboarding guides to product documentation, everything stays organized and easy to access. With built-in AI, you can generate content, improve grammar, and instantly create shorter, clearer versions of any article. Swatle lets you create and train AI chatbots using your own knowledge base, so they understand your products, policies, and workflows. You can customize their role, tone, and language to fit your brand. Once deployed on your website or app, the chatbot uses your knowledge base to answer customer questions in real time, and when a conversation turns into an issue, Swatle's intelligence automatically creates and assigns a task to your team. You can also track every question users ask through built-in chatbot analytics. Collect feedback, leads, or internal requests using custom forms. All responses flow directly into Swatle, turning information into action instantly. Swatle is built to work far beyond its own interface. With BYOA, bring your own AI agents. You can connect any external AI or automation using simple API keys. These APIs let AI agents create, assign, and complete work inside Swatle, so your AI doesn't just chat, it actually gets things done. Projects, tasks, conversations, AI, knowledge, and support all work together in one unified system. That's what makes Swatle more than just another tool.